Hi, I'm Sarah, the founder of Teacher Care Crate, and I'm going to show you what comes in the April 2021 Teacher Care Crate. This month's theme is Teachers Love the Earth, and the first thing you'll see when you open up the crate is this month's info card, and this just tells you everything that comes in the crate as well as where it came from. First, we have this beautiful handmade banner. This was made by Cabin 20 Creations using eco-friendly materials. This would look super cute on your whiteboard, bulletin board, or hanging in your home. Next, we have this beautiful art print designed by Amanda of the Rooted Third. It says nourish then flourish, and is actually always the case with our art prints. It's printed on recycled cardstock and then packaged in a compostable sleeve. Next, we have this super cute sticker designed by Allie of Times New Allie. It is this kind of retro looking globe, and it says the future of the world is in my classroom, and this was printed using eco-friendly inks. Looks super cute on your laptop, your planner, wherever you want to put it. Next, we have this moisturizing hand and body lotion from the Naked Bee, and the scent is citron and honey. As you can see, it's a pretty good size here, but still small enough to keep in your teacher bag or your desk. I know our hands, at least mine, are getting super dry with all the hand washing and hand sanitizing doing lately. Next, we have this month's wearable item. This is a foldable shopping bag, so that you never need to get caught without your reusable bag. I love canvas bags, but they can get a little bit bulky, whereas this is a pretty good sized bag, as you can see, and it actually just folds right into this little pocket square. So again, great for keeping in your teacher bag or your car, and these come in a variety of different patterns, but they're all super cute. Okay. Next, we have a essential oil serum roller. This is from the Hippie Homesteader, and as you can see, it rolls on. This is the Soothe blend, which is a mix of eucalyptus, ginger, clary sage, peppermint, and more, and this helps tight muscles to relax and loosen. I know I will be applying this right here, but it's also just a really nice scent that you can apply anywhere. And finally, we have this month's treat. This is from Kuju Coffee. If you've been a subscriber for a while, you might remember them from the August crate. This is a different kind of coffee, but the same idea. It is a single serve pour over coffee, and I actually already have one open here to show you how it works. It's this little packet. It smells so good as soon as you take it out of the package. You carefully tear this off, open this up, and you put it on your cup and then pour hot water over it. This is premium single serve coffee from West Sumatra, fair trade certified, USDA organic. Kuju Coffee is an awesome brand, and they also donate 1% for the planet. So that is everything that comes in the April crate. Again, you have your single serve coffee, you have your essential oil roller, laptop sticker, your citron and honey hand lotion, art print, beautiful hanging banner, and of course just your info card. So if you are not already subscribed, you can head to teachercarecrate.com by April 14th to sign up in time to get the Teachers Love the Earth April 2021 Teacher Care Crate. Thanks for watching.